Hi, this is Javier from ViewSonic, and a lot of teachers have been asking us how they can use equipment they have in the home to set up a quick and easy distance learning environment. So today I'm going to use the equipment I have and show you how I do it, and I hope this is helpful. Now the first thing you're going to need is a laptop, which I'm sure most people already have. Make sure you have the camera, and here with the video conferencing tool, all my students can see me, and I also have my notes up. I do recommend adding a headphone with a microphone so the teacher and the students can really speak to each other clearly without any distortion. Now the second thing that I want to add is a monitor. Now this is a standard monitor that I have, and I use my Viewboard digital whiteboard to do all my whiteboarding. And this is a screen I'm going to share with my students, so this is what they see. Now to really get that whiteboarding experience right, I do recommend adding one hardware to this, and that's a WoodPad. Now with a WoodPad, it does feel like having a digital whiteboard, and you have that experience of doing the digital whiteboarding that you would do in the classroom. Now next, we're going to go over how to set everything up. To set up your hardware, the first thing you're going to need is your laptop. Now make sure power's on, laptop is turned on, and the first thing I'm going to connect to my laptop is my headphones with my microphone so we can talk very clearly to my students and they can hear me clearly. Once I have that plugged in, the second thing I'm going to connect is my monitor. Now first thing I want to make sure is that my monitor is turned on, the power is plugged in. And in this case, this monitor uses an HDMI cable. So I'm going to use this HDMI cable to connect my monitor to my laptop. Great. Third, I'm going to connect my WoodPad to my laptop. Now WoodPad uses a USB connector. So I'm going to connect the USB cable to my laptop. Fantastic. Now that everything is connected, I want to do some settings and some configurations. So what I'll do, I'll go to my desktop, I right click, go to display settings, I scroll down to where it says multiple displays and select extend these displays. Then I scroll up and I just want to make sure my monitors are set up properly, so I do identify, click on identify, and I can see where my monitors are, set them up, and then click apply, and there you go, my monitors are set up. Third and lastly, I want to set up my WoodPad. So I do recommend for best performance is to download the WoodPad driver. All you have to do is go to viewsonic.com, search for WoodPad, and select WoodPad 10. And then in the bottom, scroll down, it says downloads. Click on downloads and download the driver from a machine. This case will be for Windows. That's set up. I will go open my Viewboard and drag my Viewboard to my top monitor. Make sure it's full screen. Open my video conferencing tool so I can see all my students and open my notes. Perfect. Once I have all that ready and I have my WoodPad ready, I'm ready to start lesson.